Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today is an exciting day. We have episode 2 of Budget Build GTI. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2019 GTI SC. I just picked up about 3 weeks ago, and the mod bug hit me harder than I thought. I was gonna wait a little bit, but I know me. Everybody that knows me and knew I was gonna eventually do stuff to this car. So this is basically car number 4 or 5 to the channel. So we wanted to do something with a little Euro flavor, and so far I'm really enjoying this car. It's my daily, and it's just a fun car to drive every day. It's just an overall comfortable, fun daily. So I came home today, we had a nice big box, so I put it out here. I haven't opened it. I know what it is, but I figured let me show you guys what it is. All right, so like we're going on a budget build. So budget build GTI means this is a Rev 9 exhaust, eBay special. Paid 320 bucks for it. Full catback exhaust. And honestly, it's got pretty good reviews on most of the, I guess, the Facebook pages I've joined. A lot of people seem to like it, and it looks pretty good. But let's see for ourselves. It's a box inside of a box. It's gonna be a mess. Now, where do I start? Well, I know it's right here. Look at there, honey, it's all shiny and stuff. This is it's definitely, I don't know what size of diameter these things run. It looks like a good, it's not 3 inches, it's probably 2.5. Oh, look, it's out of cat. Man, honestly, you want to be too bad. Look at there.
It looks like you're holding a baby.
Yeah. Big shiny baby. Ooh. Look at the tips, don't do that. It's pretty big. Actually, you can call it. The welds are nice. You can see the mufflers from the back once I put them on. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Excited to see how this is going to sound. Trying to be out. Am I missing something? Oh, there it is. But that's not enough. Those are the mufflers.
I want to see the tips.
This is the middle pipe. That's the mid pipe. Here's the tips. Got a nice 44-inch tip. Oh yeah, these are nice. Decent looking tip. Honestly, for 320 bucks. It actually looks pretty good to me. This is straight pipe. This one's gonna be pretty loud. Anyways, guys, that's it. Not gonna get installed today. And one, I don't feel like installing it. And we're just gonna take it to my muffler guy. He'll do it quick and cheap, so might as well. So we'll see you guys back in the morning. All right, guys. So good morning. So next day, we're on our way to the muffler shop, and so you guys know, again, it's a Rev 9 eBay exhaust. So it's a pretty good exhaust. See? I got it all. Tried to take it out of the box. I got it all packed up in the car, fit perfectly. And we'll head that way here in a second. But before we do that, I want to give you guys, let's show you guys right quick. See? It's all packed up. Fits pretty good. So before we do that, I want to go ahead and give you a cold start of the stock exhaust.
This is why you get here early.
Yep, look at that, 7 a.m.
And there's tons of people waiting already.
Big old resonator and a big old heavy muffler. Alright guys, check it out. Look, the welds are good. Super clean welds. Really can't complain about a cheaper exhaust. It's not bad at all. I'm really surprised how good these welds are. But you know why we do this, right?
Why?
It's all about DSG parts.
I know. I'm gonna get that down pipe too. Definitely needs more loud. Too quiet. It's too quiet. Damn it, I should have bought the one with no mufflers. It's okay. That's not a big deal. That's an easy fix. We call that downpipe with no cap. Then it'll be loud. For a fact. Seems deeper. Sounds deeper.
Oh, it's definitely. Yeah,
I can hear that it's deeper.
Yeah, it's definitely deeper. I just want it to be louder.
I know. Coming soon.
Right. We need DSG parts. Not getting them. Not yet. I don't know. I might. I haven't had a chance to get on it, but like the way I want to get on it. Yep, we're gonna have to fix that. Downpipe. It's gonna happen. Oh, damn it! I wanted DSG parts. So I got home, and honestly, I'm a little bummed it's not as loud as it is, but the way I think about it is now, once I put the catalyst downpipe, probably smarter that it's kind of quiet now, because once you do add that downpipe, it's going to make it louder. So that's the plan. Probably going to get ordered here in the next 10 minutes, and this is just a process. You know, I'm still right under my goal of $1,200. So the plan is to see what I could do, what I could find. I've seen on the websites where the Megan Racing seems to be a decent one when it comes to a cheaper one, so I'll probably go with that. I think they're usually about under 200 bucks. So that's probably gonna be the plan, and then I don't know, probably have that on next weekend. So I gotta do a little more research when it comes to needing a tune with the catalyst downpipe or not. I really don't want to tune it yet, even though I could probably go with the JB4. I really want to hold off on something like that, but it'll probably happen sooner than later. So there it is, guys. Once again, it's Rev 9 exhaust from eBay. I paid $329 for it. I have the wheels. The wheels I paid, I forgot to tell you guys this in the last video, but the wheels I paid $400. I flipped the tires on, so I didn't pay any extra for tires. I paid $100 for install. So right now I'm all in at $829. But I sold my stock wheels for $400, so I'm back at $329. So I still got some money to play with. So we're gonna have a little more fun with it, and downpipe's gonna get ordered, and we'll see what else comes in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe.
You know what you should do? A launch.